How to run Facebook ads for Shopify. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to run Facebook ads for your Shopify store. In this guide, we'll cover everything from setting up your Facebook Business Manager to optimizing your campaigns for maximum sales. First things first, we have to understand Facebook ads. Basically, Facebook ads are paid messages from businesses that appear in users' feed. They allow you to target specific audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, making them a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. And so before we proceed to the step-by-step tutorial, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the ad manager of Facebook. Now, there are two ways to do this. The first way is to head over to Google, search for ad manager, and from here you can just navigate through the official website of Facebook, which is the facebook/business/tool/ad manager. From here you will then be taken to this website. You have your overview, case study, get started, tips, and help. Now you simply want to click on the Go to Ads Manager button, and you will be taken to the ad manager of your Facebook profile or page. As you can see right here, we've managed to successfully launch our Facebook ad manager. Now, if you want to navigate it to the second way, you can just open up your Facebook account like this one. And basically, once inside, if you navigate through the side menu or the side category, we have the ad manager button. So you want to click on the ads manager. Once again, you will be taken to basically the same page. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to navigate through the create button. Now, from here, you have your dashboard overview. Basically, you want to familiarize yourself with the ad manager dashboard where you'll create and manage your campaigns. Now, the key sections are the campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Each level controls different aspect of your ad strategy. Now, let's go ahead and click on the create button. Right after that, we will then be taken to this page. Basically, you have your buying type, you have your auction, and you have your reservation. In here, you want to go ahead and choose the campaign objective. In here, you have different objectives. If you want to promote awareness, you can just click on this button. If you want traffic through your page, click on traffic. You have the engagement, leads, ad promotion, and lastly, sales. And so if you navigate through each category, you can then go ahead and see the short description of the specific objective campaign. Now from here, you can just go ahead and select your preferred campaign objective. But in my opinion, the best course of objective right here is going to be traffic, leads, and sales. If we navigate through the traffic button, we can then go ahead and see that it will send people to a destination like your website that includes our Shopify website or our Shopify store, an application, Instagram profile, or event. Now, this is good for link clicks, landing page reviews, Instagram profile visits, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp messages. If we then navigate through somewhere like engagement, this is basically somewhere between getting engagement on your Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp business. So this is not the best course of action. For leads, it will go ahead and collect leads for your brand. Now that includes our Shopify store. This will be good for instant forms, Messenger and Instagram, conversions, and calls. And lastly, what I recommend the most is sales. Find people likely to purchase your product or service. Once again, this is good for conversions, catalog sales, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and lastly, calls. So you can go ahead and choose between the sales option and the traffic option. Basically, Facebook will go ahead and optimize your ads to become one of the campaign objectives right here. So you can just go ahead and make your choice. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on sale. And from here, you have the recommended settings and you have the manual traffic campaign. Basically, you want to use the recommended settings if you don't know the intricacies of using the ad manager. So with the recommended settings, you will be able to use preset campaigns optimization to help meet your goals. Preset settings include Advantage Plus, Audience, Advantage Plus placements, and more. Now, in my opinion, using the recommended settings is the best, especially if you're a beginner. Now, let's go ahead and click on the recommended settings. Right after that, we will now be taken to this page on where we can customize our ads fully. From here, you have your campaign name, so you can just go ahead and type it right here. If you scroll down, you have your specialized ad category. You have the benefits of declaring special ad categories. So you can just go ahead and categorize your ads if you want to. So you can just go ahead and click this right here. Now, in our case, let's go ahead and click on next. Right after that, you have your ad name set. So you can go ahead and browse down, and from here you have conversion. So from here, basically we have different options for conversion. It could be your website, it could be an application, website and app, messaging app, and calls. Basically, the best option to choose right here is going to be our website. This will drive sales and conversion to our website, which is our Shopify store. So if we scroll down, we then have our performance goal. In here, we have the maximized number of conversions selected. So if you scroll down, you have another goals right here. If you want to go ahead and do this, you have maximized number of landing page views, maximized number of link clicks, and more. Now, once again, this is going to be the best option, which is to maximize number of conversions, which is our sales to our Shopify store. From here, we have the cost per goal. This is completely optional. If you want to spend an extra dollar or an extra money to your ad campaign, you can just go ahead and put it right here. And so if we scroll down even further, we have the click-through ad phase right here, or the attribution settings. You have to go ahead and select between 1 day and 7 days. In here, you have to select none and 1 day. And the view through is going to be, once again, none and 1 day. Below that, you have your delivery type. It's going to be the standard delivery type. You don't have to edit anything inside this category. So if you scroll down even further, we will get to the budget and schedule of our ads. So let's just go ahead and say that you have a maximum budget of $10. You can just go ahead and put that right here. And if you scroll down even further, you have your start date and you have your end date. I suggest putting a start date and an end date so your money won't be consumed in a single day. So from here, maybe you could go ahead and put somewhere between like 5 days. And from there, you can then go ahead and set your daily budget. Facebook will try to go ahead and consume the specified budget to the start date until the end date that you have set. From here, you have your budget scheduling. If you want to increase your budget during specific time periods, you can go ahead and do so. In here, you have your start and ends. Once again, you can go ahead and set that. It is completely optional. So if you scroll down even further, all you have to do is to basically click on next. And so basically right after, we are now at the ending of our ad campaign right here, which is the ad creatives. So from here, you basically have your ad name. If you scroll down, you have your Facebook page. You can just go ahead and set it up on what page you want to post this ad on. From here, we basically want to scroll down, and once below, you can then go ahead and see your ad creative. You can select and optimize your ad text, media, and enhancements. Of course, you want to go ahead and create your ad media. You can go ahead and upload an image ad or a video ad. You can just go ahead and click on this option, click on the image or video, and you will be able to do so. Below, we then have our Shopify link, which is going to be our store. You have your destination. You can just go ahead and paste your Shopify store right here. You have your display link. This is what will the link show you on your ad. And just below that, you have the browser add-ons. In here, you can go ahead and add some buttons to call, instant form, which is going to be from your messaging application, the messaging app, instant experience, which will go ahead and send people to a fast loading mobile optimized experience. And lastly, we have Facebook events. So you can just go ahead and set up your ad creatives, and from there you should be good to go. Now, for the tips on optimizing your ad performance is going to be A and B testing. You want to experiment with different creatives, headlines, and call to actions or CTAs. You want to monitor your metrics, track CTR, conversion rate, and ROAS in Ad Manager. You can also go ahead and adjust your campaign based on the performance data, tweak targeting, budget, and creatives. Now, for advanced strategies, you want to use dynamic product ads. You want to show personalized product recommendations to potential customers. You have your retargeting funnels. Create sequences that guide users through the buying process. Now, that is really important, especially if a user is new to buying online. You have your seasonal campaign. You want to capitalize on holidays and events for targeted promotions. Now, by following this tutorial, you'll be able to go ahead and run effective Facebook ads for your Shopify store. Consistently test, analyze, and optimize your campaigns to maximize ROI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Happy advertising. Thank you.